Hello, welcome to OBSMT. Today we will introduce a PCB vacuum loader for you. PCB vacuum suction loader is used for loading the bareboards automatically by vacuum in SMT production line. Vacuum loader positioning can be adjusted according to board's location. Loader is controlled by a stepping motor. Conveyor wires can be adjusted from 50 mm to 460 mm. Put bareboards on the lifting platform. It will raise into the specified location. Loader will suck board and will put it onto the guide rail. Then, both flow into next machine. Bareboard loader use Panasonic PLC and 7-inch touchscreen control. Chinese and English operate interface. Easy to operate. No need to training. Machine also with pass-through model. It can be used as a conveyor. Okay, if you are interested, welcome to contact us.